Hey guys, Darth Vader Halloween here, and we're going to be unboxing something in this video today. What we're going to be unboxing is the Gemmy Strobing Skull that plays Tubular Bells. It has multicolored LED lights in both the teeth and the eyes, and I believe this is the original model that had the realistic looking eyeballs. Well, not necessarily realistic looking, but yeah, this is actually a pretty rare and uncommon Gemmy item that was remade in 2012 up until like 2016, but that version didn't have the eyeballs. It just had blank spaces and where the eye socket should have been. And anyways, let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. I got my razor here, and let's go ahead and start. Okay. Okay, and here it is. Kind of smaller than what I expected though. But yeah, there it is. And here is the Gemmy Strobing Skull. I'm going to need to put some batteries in him real quick first. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get batteries. Okay, so I just put batteries in him, and I realized that it doesn't have any sound. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to open him up in another video, and I'm gonna replace the speaker, or I might just do that without a video. But yeah, you know what, I might actually, yeah, I'm probably gonna make another video at some point that actually shows me opening up the back over here. Hang on, I'm gonna turn him off. Opening up the back and then replacing the speaker over here because the speaker is dead. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.